slip stitch, and you're done. Now this is technically you're looking at the inside of the glove. So we're going to chain one, and now we're going to flip this around and inside out. And this is where we start doing our scales. So you're going to yarn over, skip that first single double crochet, and do a front post double crochet around that next set of the V of the two double crochets right here. You're going to go underneath that first one and come through, yarn over and pull up a loop so you have 3, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through, and you're going to do that 4 more times around this double crochet. So 5 front post 5 front post double crochets total on this first double crochet of the set. So it's 2, yarn over, underneath and through, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 1 more. And that's one side of your scale. Now you're going to chain 1, turn your work to the side, and you're going to front post double crochet around that second double crochet in that V. So you're going to yarn over. I'm sorry about the black yarn, guys. This is what my order's for, is actually, she wants gloves out of this magnificent cake, so I can't say no, but we know black yarn and how hard it is to see. But, yeah, bear with me here, guys. Alright, so we just chained 1, and in that second, around that second double crochet in that set, we're going to do 5 front posts again. So yarn over, underneath and through, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you're going to do that 5 times. 2, 3, oh, I just missed my glitter. If you have a glitter strand in your cake, try not to miss it, because then you'll end up with it longer than the rest of your plies. It happens a lot to people, so just try to make sure you don't drop stitches here, because I know that can get annoying when you get down to the end and when you're working and you end up with extra. So yeah, try to make sure you don't drop stitches, drop plies while you're doing them. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're done with that first crocodile stitch, and we're gonna slip stitch to that top of that single double crochet. Sorry, I'm trying to look through the camera, but I'm looking. It's so hard to do this right now. I literally have the camera around my neck. Anything for you guys, though. Okay. Alright, so now that you've slip stitched into the top of that double crochet, you're going to go to the next set of 2 double crochets and do the same thing you did on the last one. 5 front post double crochets around the first double crochet in the V. 5, chain 1, and then turn your work sideways and do 5 front post double crochets around that second double crochet in that set. So 5 front posts, so you go yarn over and then underneath, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, underneath, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and you just do that 5 times. So we just need 3, 4, 5, and that's a second scale. So now you're going to slip stitch into the top of that single double crochet. And we have 2 scales now. And then you just repeat that again. 5 front post double crochets. And I'll do this with you one more time and then we'll speed it up after this. Yarn over, go underneath, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, underneath, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, underneath, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, underneath, pull up a loop, so you have 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, we have 4, so we need 1 more. Now we chain 1, and we do the other side. Turn your work sideways, and do the other side on that second double crochet. Go around that. 5 front post double crochets, so we're going to do 5 right now. Yarn over, through, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, underneath, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, we need 2 more, five and 5 completes the scale. Now you're going to slip stitch into the top of that double crochet like before. And you're just going to repeat that until you get to the end of the row. I will speed this up and I'll meet you at the end. Now that you've got through the whole row and you're at your last one, you do the last scale. So there's the last scale, and then you're going to slip stitch into, alright, this one's a little harder than the other ones, but there's going to be that chain one from when you chain one and you came to the front. You're going to go through that, and you're going to go through that single double crochet that's underneath. So you'll go through this right here, sorry for the black yarn, and then you're going to go through this in the back where that double crochet is, slip through, and you're done with the row. And you can see all your scales. And now we're going to go ahead and do this. Well, this will actually bear one. Well, first was a chain, then we did the base, so that was the first row, and then we did this is the second row. So now we're going to do our third row.